Di dunia yang terus bergerak ini, kita selalu mencari sesuatu. Mengejar mimpi, pengakuan, pencapaian. Sesuatu yang kita harap bisa membuat hidup terasa lebih berarti. Namun seringkali, yang kita kejar bukanlah yang kita inginkan. Kita berlari untuk memenuhi ekspektasi, berusaha agar terlihat berhasil dan hebat di mata orang lain. Tanpa sadar, kita mulai membandingkan diri, meragukan kemampuan diri sendiri, mempertanyakan nilai diri kita. Di tengah semua itu, kita perlahan kehilangan kebebasan untuk menjadi diri sendiri. Terkadang, aku bertanya-tanya, kenapa semua orang terlihat tahu kemana mereka melangkah? Mereka punya arah, punya tujuan. Dan punya hal yang bisa mereka banggakan. Sedangkan aku bahkan bingung harus mulai dari mana. Aku bahkan belum tahu apa yang sedang ku cari.
She just wants to be beautiful, she goes unnoticed, she knows no limits, she craves attention, she praises an image she prays to be sculpted by the sculptor. But there's a hope that's waiting for you in the dark. You should know you're beautiful just the way you are, and you don't have to change a thing. The world could change its heart. No scars, see you're beautiful. With stars and we're beautiful. There's a hope that's waiting for you in the dark. You should know you're beautiful just the way you are, and you don't have to change a thing. The world could change its heart. No scars, see you're beautiful. With stars and we're beautiful.
Sharp spurs wanna cut me down. I'm gonna send the blood, gonna drown mine. This is brave, this is bruised, this is who I'm meant to be. This is me.
Why the hell is my husband? What is taking him so long to find me? Oh, baby. Why the hell is my lover getting down with another? Tell him if you see him, baby. If you see him, tell us.
Everybody gotta do it. Turn the TV off, 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 turn the TV off.
Lagi-lagi suara itu. Semua cara telah kucoba. Segala yang bisa untuk kulakukan untuk diriku. Apa aku benar-benar bisa? Apa usahaku cukup? Aku harus apa untuk menghentikan semua ini?
I got the game locked. Cut my lines, flash it then Tory Lane's top. Who got his words in the vicinary raindrop? Hit him with the first time and they get their brains swap.
Thought I found a way. Thought I found a way out, but you never go away. So I guess I gotta stay now. Oh, I hope someday I'll make it out of it, even if it takes all night. Oh, my fear. Isn't it lovely? Heart made of glass, man of stone. Time in pieces, skin and bone. I'll come home. Today, I start, not because I'm ready, but because I'm real. I got royalty inside my DNA. Never wasn't been in joint inside my DNA. I got hustle, the vision flow inside my DNA. I was born like this, and born like this. Born like this, but born like this. Was you with the weapon, you don't have to play that meditate it off your head. This that put the skin to bed. This that I
You should see me in the crowd. Silence in my face.
Saat akhirnya aku berani melangkah, ketika akhirnya aku berani jadi diriku sendiri. Selalu ada yang mencari kekuranganku. Aku marah, kecewa, lelah. Karena rasanya semuanya tak pernah cukup. Mungkin keberanian bukan tentang membuktikan apapun pada mereka. Melainkan tentang memilih untuk tetap melangkah.
Don't embarrass us. Maybe you're not trying hard enough or starting. Everyone sacrifices for you. Why aren't you good enough yet? Don't hate, it's sacrifice. If you fail, you're failed. If you fail, if you fail, it's on you. It's on you. On you. Don't embarrass us. Why aren't you good enough yet? Maybe you're not trying hard enough.
Then we walk to the floor. Every decision made isn't mine anymore. Like a puppy with strings, I just don't have a choice. What's the truth? What's a lie? Help me God, help me Lord. Face your fears, dry your eyes, grandma died. What's the point? Lost the keys, lost my hope, lost my will, lost my joy, lost a friend, lost my hope, lost my faith, lost my voice. Hope. What's my definition of success? Listening to what your heart says. Being brave enough to dream big. It's believing in yourself when no one else does. It's amazing what a little bit of faith can't do. If you don't even believe in you, why would you think or expect anybody else that's around you to? I done did things that I regret. I done said things I can't take back. Was a lost soul at a crossroad who had no hope, but I changed it. Every day, pick my son up, hold him in my arms and let him know he's loved. Now standing by the window, questioning if that is ever going to show up. Isn't something he's gonna have to worry about. Don't get it twisted, that was in the shop. Mama, I forgive you, I just don't want him to grow up thinking that he'll never be enough. 30 years of running, 30 years of searching, 30 years of hurting, 30 years of pain, 30 years of fear, 30 years of anger, 30 years of empty, 30 years of shame, 30 years of broken, 30 years of anguish, 30 years of hopeless, 30 years of 30 years of never, 30 years of maybe, 30 years of later, 30 years of fate.
I've been living in their expectations, trying to be someone I'm not. But this is my plan, my dream, and I will prove that I'm worthy. For them, not for me. And this is the part where my whole life goes. I try to hold back who I was meant to be, but that was never my nature. Maybe I wasn't made for their expectations, but I'll be lying if I said this isn't who I truly am.
Goodbye, I got a world to see. And my girl, she wanna see Rome. See, so make you a believer now. Never enter to the fourth throne. That validation comes from giving it back to the people. Now sing the song and then here we go back. This is the moment. Tonight is the night. We'll fight till it's over. So we
kutanyakan pada diriku. Sebenarnya, apa yang bisa kusebut dengan rumah? Apakah aku akan merasa diterima di sana? Tapi kenapa sepertinya sulit mencari arti rumah itu sendiri? Kini, kemana lagi aku harus mencari? Ternyata, aku memang tidak bisa menemukan rumah tersebut. Tapi, aku bisa mengusahakannya. Berawal dari aku dan untukku.
Rumah adalah lembaran kosong untuk menulis kisah bahagia.
Nah, bagi kalian berdua, rumah adalah tempat untuk terbang bebas.
Untuk kami, rumah adalah tempat untuk bertukar cerita.
Bagiku, rumah adalah sebuah pelukan. Dan inilah cerita rumah kami.
Kita usahakan rumah itu dari depan akan tampak sederhana, tapi kebunnya luas dan amannya mewah megah. Kita usahakan rumah itu dari depan akan tampak sederhana, tapi dibuat kuat, dirancang muat lega. Urusan perabotan dan wangi-wangian ku serahkan pada seleramu yang lebih maju, tapi tak tahu aku ikut pertimbangkan, karena kalau nanti kita punya kesibukan, malam tetap kumpul di meja panjang ruang makan, kita berbincang tentang hari yang panjang. Kita usahakan rumah itu dari depan akan tampak sederhana, tapi penerangannya diracik begitu romantis. Urusan perabotan dan wangi-wangi ku serahkan pada seleramu yang lebih maju, tapi tak taruhan aku ikut pertimbangkan, karena kalau nanti Kita usahakan rumah itu.
Keluarga adalah rumah yang tidak pernah menuntut kesempurnaan, tempat di mana setiap luka akan terobati, dan sebuah tempat penerimaan yang tulus tanpa syarat. Kita semua akan berjalan beriringan menyongsong hari esok, mengubah setiap harapan menjadi nyata, dan memastikan bahwa masa depan bukan lagi tentang perjuangan sendiri, melainkan tentang kemenangan yang kita rayakan bersama. Dan ini adalah kami semua.
Yeah, cause girls is players too. Yeah, cause girls is players too. What you know about living on the top? Things looking down on my before a test drive, left them on the lot. Time is money, so I pull up.
Girls is players too.
Yeah, what you know about living on the top? Penthouse things looking down on the odds. Took her for a test drive, left them on the lot. Time is money, so I white t-shirt, little white teeth. You can see the thong busting on my tight jeans. Okay, rocks on my fingers like a nigga wife me.
Another shorty, she can like me.
Don't you know the fight? Everybody make 'em wanna bite. I just wanna have a good night. I just wanna have a good night. Right now, I know. Everything better let 'em go. You can have anybody, no. 'Cause when you with girls, you can do what you want. Yeah, 'cause girls is players too.
Aku mengerti. Semua ketakutan itu tidak harus mengendalikan hidupku. Aku tidak harus menjadi sempurna agar diterima. Aku tidak harus terus berjuang hanya untuk memenuhi harapan semua orang. Karena pada akhirnya, kita menjadi berharga bukan saat diakui oleh semua orang, melainkan saat berada di tempat yang tepat, bersama mereka yang melihat kita, percaya pada kita, dan memilih tetap tinggal.
It was one of the worst performances I've seen in my life. I couldn't sleep last night because I felt this shit.
Depression is infectious and it's awful.
Tell me how you feel.
want you, I want your breath back. Every time we say why, pick up, tell him bye, bye, bye. You will never meet a girl like me, girl like me, girl like me. You will never ever girl like me, girl like me, girl like me. You will never meet a girl like me, girl like me, girl like me. You will never ever girl like me, girl like me, girl like me. Switch up on it, cut, push it up and down. Switch up on it, cut, push it up and down. Sit up on it, cut, push it up and down. Spit up on it, cut, push it up and down.
Pada akhirnya, kita tidak harus menjadi sempurna untuk berharga. Kita tidak harus memenuhi semua ekspektasi untuk layak dicintai. Karena akan selalu ada orang-orang yang melihat lebih dari sekedar hasil. Mereka melihat usaha yang tidak terlihat. Mereka melihat perjuangan yang tidak pernah kita ceritakan. Dan perlahan, kita belajar bahwa tidak apa-apa menjadi diri sendiri. Tidak apa-apa memiliki kekurangan. Tidak apa-apa berjalan dengan langkah yang berbeda dari orang lain. Hidup adalah tentang menemukan orang-orang yang menerima kita apa adanya. Saat itu terjadi, kita bisa tertawa tanpa berpura-pura. Bisa bercerita tanpa takut dihakimi. Bisa tersenyum tanpa harus menyembunyikan. Dan untuk pertama kalinya, kita merasa cukup. Bukan karena akhirnya dunia menerima kita, tetapi karena kita akhirnya menerima diri kita sendiri.
Dance like David, I wanna faith like Paul, I wanna sing like Silas, tearing down the prison wall. I wanna face that fire, it won't burn me though. God's got my back, Shadrach, Meshach, Abednego. I wanna walk like Moses, right through the waves. One day I'll see that promised land, no longer slaves. But the fear is talking, no it can't take out my faith. I wanna gift like Mary, I wanna break my vase. I wanna sleep like Daniel, even in a lion's cave. I'm gonna get that promise, just like Jericho. Yeah, I know what will make it fall. I'm gonna praise, I'm gonna praise. I praise the mountain, moving body, raising breaker of chains. Gonna praise, I'm gonna praise. I praise the heaven seated, undefeated, highest of names. That's who I praise. Hey, I praise the God who's proven He can do impossible things. she's coming. I'm gonna get in glory. With all my faith. There's no greater, stronger, higher.